Hey everyone, welcome to Played Not Displayed. I'm Johnny, and on today's episode we're going to be looking at an upgrade for your rig I think often gets overlooked. I know for myself personally, I overlooked this upgrade. I spent a lot of my time chasing after different amps, different pedals, different pickups, but the one thing I really didn't focus my attention on a whole lot was speakers. While I did upgrade the speakers in my amps and speaker cabinets I've owned over the years, I never really did my homework to make sure I was purchasing the correct speaker for the tone that I was chasing. So on today's episode, we're going to be looking at the two main speakers that I use nowadays, which are first off the EV12L, which is a 12-inch speaker, and the second is a JBL E110, which is a 10-inch speaker. The cabinets that I have these in are identical. They are both 1965 Fender Tremolux cabinets. The one I did modify and make a 2x12 baffle for it to house the EVs. Me personally, I just like the size of the Tremolux cabinets. I think they're a perfect size, so that's why I went ahead and made the 212 baffle for it. The amp I'm going to be using today is my Amplified Nation Steel String Singer. It is a 50-watt head. The settings are going to be identical. I'm not changing anything on the amp when I switch between cabinets. Same goes for any of my pedal settings as well as the guitar settings. And hopefully on today's episode you'll notice a dramatic difference in the audio quality on the playing clips. I recently stepped my game up as far as that's concerned. If you'd like to see a video on my recording setup, drop a comment and maybe that's something we can do here in the near future. But yeah, let's get into the tones. Alright guys, so we had a chance to listen to both cabinets. I tried to keep the playing somewhat simple so you could hear what the speakers are doing versus look at me playing a bunch of notes type of deal. So yeah, let's talk about it. For me personally, from a recording standpoint, I kind of prefer the JBLs over the EVs. I feel like the JBL speakers have a more of a rounded top end versus the EVs. So you may be hearing more of those in future videos of mine. But as far as the gigging standpoint goes, I really gig these cabinets pretty equally. It really is just depending on my mood and what I'm feeling on that particular day of the gig. I really love them both equally from that standpoint and don't think you could go wrong purchasing either speaker. I'd love to hear your opinions on them. If you own either of these speakers or if you're looking to buy them and have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one.